Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the time zone on a Tradingview mobile app. Really easy and simple, guys. First things first, of course, open up the app, and then what you're going to do is come at the bottom left and click on chart, okay? Now right here, guys, let me close this. So what you're going to do is, now at the bottom right, you'll see the settings cog icon. That is what you want to click on. Then you just want to scroll down, and you'll see this option that says more settings. Click on that. And now you just need to scroll down even more. It's a bunch of settings. Just go ahead and scroll down, and you will see this date format and time format. What you can do is you can go ahead and change the date and time according to what you wanted, or clock and time zone. So changes to either 12 hours, or I can change the date format to according to whatever I want. Really that easy and simple. Let me do this, and then I can go ahead and press OK, and that would change everything, as you can see. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.